Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Nugget Trains, and I wanted to let you guys know that the reason why videos have not been coming out for the past 2 weeks is because we are moving. A lot has gone down in the past 2 weeks when it comes to work and trying to find a place to live. It has been a pain. The place that we rent, they are selling the house, so we have to find a new one, and it is hard. It really is. So we were looking for a new place to move into, so we're doing that. I'm working extra hours to get more money so I can actually, find a place, pay what I need to pay to move into it. You get it, the normal life things. Not gonna bore you with all that. But videos should be coming back up to schedule and normal pace here shortly. I'm sorry for the delay on everything. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the train on the TPW, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Peace out and goodbye.